My name is Dr. Amber Feinman. I am a hematologist oncologist at Cancer Specialists of North Florida. I was always a kind of science-based person. So, when I was in college, I was doing biology and then, trying to figure out where I was going to go with this. I actually initially wanted to be a veterinarian. Then it was actually during Hurricane Katrina. And, I wasn't there. I was in college, but I was watching all of this destruction and people just really needing help. And it kind of just made me feel like I wanted to do something more. And so at that point, I started shadowing other physicians and then kind of through that just developed, a love for medicine. So I became interested in oncology when I was in residency training with the Navy. We did some rotations on the cancer wards. So I really loved the relationships that I was able to form with patients, the complexity of their illnesses, and also just really being able to help people. I left the Navy after 11 years. It was bittersweet. I really enjoyed my time in the Navy and helping that community. But ultimately, it was time for us to move closer to family. I knew we wanted to come to Jacksonville, and so I was kind of online looking at all the different facilities and practices, and I met with cancer specialists and kind of immediately was very impressed by the practice and the people in it, and it was not a hard choice. I think one of the things that patients appreciate about me is, I do take a lot of time to listen to patients and kind of just spend whatever time they need. I can be kind of quiet and calm, and I think sometimes patients really like that. Yeah, when I'm not in the office, I am usually with my two little boys. I have a 2 and a 4-year-old, and they pretty much take up all my time when I'm not here. But I love it. They're my world. And, I love just doing whatever we're doing, going to the park or playing with trucks. Cancer Specialists of North Florida. Cancer doesn't care. We do.